At the pumps today, a $4.50 increase on all gas and diesel prices. 87 and 90 octane gasoline up by $4.50 will be sold for $198.14 and $203.15 per liter respectively. Automotive diesel fuel will be sold for $211.70 per liter. Continuing with the $4.50 increase, ultra-low sulfur diesel will be sold for $214.43 per liter, and kerosene will be sold for $184.55 per liter. Meanwhile, propane liquid petroleum down by 25 cents will be sold for $79.75 per liter, and butane liquid petroleum will be sold for $91.17 per liter after an increase of 25 cents. It is important to remember to be on the lookout for price changes, as marketing companies and retailers will add their own markups to these prices.